Here's what we can do in order to fix Wi-Fi not connecting properly on Samsung Galaxy S25. So if you are certain that the issue is on the phone's side instead of the router, then in that case what we can do is first of all go to the settings. Here we want to go to connections, and of course we want to make sure that the airplane mode is disabled. Sometimes we can enable it by accident, and this of course prevents Wi-Fi to be used. If it is disabled, then we can proceed by going to Wi-Fi. The simple thing that we can do in order to try to fix Wi-Fi issues is turn off and turn back on Wi-Fi. Sometimes this simple thing helps as well. If that doesn't help, what we can do is we can go to the current network that we are trying to use. So we can tap on this gear icon and we can forget the connection, and after that try to connect to your Wi-Fi. Again, provide the password and try to connect. If you have been connected to your Wi-Fi but it is not available in current networks, then you can also try to find it by tapping on these three dots in the top right corner. Then we can go to advanced settings, and over here you can go to manage networks. You should be able to find your Wi-Fi. You can tap on it and then you can forget it by pressing forget at the bottom, and then once again go back to Wi-Fi and try to connect. If that doesn't work as well, if you still have issues with Wi-Fi, the next thing that you can do is reset Wi-Fi settings. So you want to go back to settings, to the main menu, scroll all the way down to choose general management, then over here go to reset, and then at the bottom you will find reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. You want to select this option and we want to reset those settings. Now these two things cannot be separated, so you will reset both Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, but after you do this you want to go back to the settings and of course open Wi-Fi settings and try to connect with your Wi-Fi. Again, keep in mind that Bluetooth has also been reset by performing that previous action, so you want to pair your Bluetooth devices again if you have used something. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!